have a messy application open like this and want to turn it into like this or like this, let me show you with the shortcut key, the simple shortcut key. Okay, let's start. For example, I want to make a server on the top left, so I just Alt tab, go to Microsoft Word. Okay, it focuses on the top here. So just press Window, the left arrow key, and turn to the left like this. And if I choose another one from the screen with the arrow up and down, for example, Excel, it means put Excel or VS Code here, it put 2 by 2. Okay, but what if I want to bring that to the left? I just press Window key and arrow left and left again. It will be like left. And if I choose Microsoft Word, it's like this. Okay, let's make it into 4. Snap it into perfect 4 is square. So right now in Microsoft Word, just hold the Window key and press left, another left, and arrow up. Okay, like that. So this time we choose, for example, Excel. So it will be top there. And this time we choose this one, this one. Okay, that's a perfect square. And 4 into 4. So if I want to bring this is go to the top, just arrow up again, then we will move to top. And we can choose another one down here. For example, OBS, or record this, but it will not go to that one. Okay, let's choose another. Okay, Excel, move down. Okay, so we can use arrow up and down with Window key to move our application in just with 2 screen or 4 screen, up to you. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you learned something from video. Don't forget to smash like and share. See you next time.